In how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls be selected from 5 boys and 4 girls? In order to solve this question, let's take boys first. Selecting 3 boys from a group of 5, we get the value n is equals to 5 and r is equals to 3. Number of ways is equals to the formula is NCR. Now substituting the values in NCR, we get 5C3 5 factorial upon 3 factorial into 5 minus 3 factorial. Here we have the formula n factorial upon n factorial into n minus r factorial. So using that formula we will be calculating, simplifying this 5 factorial upon 3 factorial into 5 minus 3 is 2 factorial. Now calculating these values, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 upon 3 into 2 into 1 into 2 into 1. Now let's cancel these values. By cancelling it, we get 5 4s are 20 upon 2, which is 10. Now coming to the girl side, selecting, just wait, selecting 3 girls from 4. Here the value of n will be 4 and the value of r is 3. Number of ways is equals to NCR. Now substituting the value of NCR, we get 4C3. Now 4 factorial upon 3 factorial into 4 minus 3 factorial. Simplifying this, 4 factorial upon 3 factorial, 4 minus 3 is 1, so 1 factorial. Now 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 upon 3 into 2 into 1 into 1. Now 3 into 2 into 1 will get cancelled, we get answer as 4. Now for boys we got the value of number of ways 10, and for the girls we got 4. So now total number of ways is 10 into 4, which is 40. Hence 40 ways to selecting 3 boys and 3 girls from 5 boys and 4 girls. These statements are very important